Are you thinking of selling your home for the first time? Here are the quick tips to get the best deal. First of all, timing is everything. Usually the spring and summer brings the more buyers in the market. And also, first impression of your home count. So staging your home can significantly increase its appeal. And pricing your home right from the start is the key to avoid scaring buyers and leaving money on the table. High quality virtual tours and impeccable online marketing are the keys to making your listing stand out. Be prepared to negotiate. I will help you understand each offer and make smart decisions. Now, are you ready to sell and move on to your next adventure? Let's talk strategy. Send me a message today at 416-629-3480. Or you can email me also at pjassi2003@gmail.com.